Hi, welcome back to my channel, Beacons of Light. Just be it. Today's topic is a very disturbing one, something that all Africans globally need to be aware of. I have said this before and I'll say it again without biting my tongue. Africans globally have no serious friends. All those who have befriended us have been wolves in sheep clothing. We are always fighting three enemies: the common enemy, traitors in our midst, and white consciousness. The common enemy, traitors in our midst, and white consciousness. Family, we live in the days or era of great awakening. There are no end times. This whole thing is a cycle. You see, when I hear stories like this that I'm about to share, it makes me wonder if people are really paying attention, or are we just carrying on with our lives as if nothing is happening around the world. And we don't have to wait till something happens directly to our own families before we start reacting or be proactive. But anyway, I just want to go straight into the topic so that I can give you the meat and potatoes without telling you how to cook the soup. All right. Toxic cough syrup kills 66 children in the Gambia. Toxic cough syrup kills 66 children in the Gambia. I've been saying this, guys. I've been saying this. The pharmaceutical company are in it for the business. As long as there's profit coming, and as long as they're using it on black bodies, they don't give a damn. I've been saying this. Leave the pharmaceutical companies alone. Go into nature. Go into nature. That's where all the healing is. That's where your herbs are, your fruits and vegetables. Get out of the laboratory. Get out of these pharmaceutical con artists. They're nothing but blood suckers. Moving on. Now, these are the 4 cough syrups that were shipped into the Gambia. As we know, well, the UN and the World Health Organization are saying that there is a high chance these cough syrups were contaminated. They were invented or manufactured in Imminent Pharmaceutical Limited in India. Imminent Pharmaceutical Limited in India. I want you to take a very close look at it. If you have this cough syrup in your home right now, throw it in the trash. Dump it out first, so no one else try to go get it out of the trash can. Dump the contents out. Throw the bottle in the trash can. These are poison. So far, 66 children have lost their lives. There could be more death toll coming. They have not found everyone who is currently suffering from this drug, from this cough syrup. We have no friends, guys. Kidney failure. People can't even pass urine. The symptoms of these cough syrups. The symptoms. I want to read a quote, and I'll end this video here. Do your own research. Go online, you'll find the articles online. I want to read this quote because this quote is very important for us to keep in mind, if you don't remember anything from this video, take this quote with you. And then I want you to pay attention to your surroundings. We African people around the world, we need to take our lives very seriously. There are so many enemies coming from us from the right, the left, from the back and the front. I find that China and India, currently in over 1 billion of people. Africa is at 1 billion in terms of the continent itself. And there are major concerns that Africa's population will increase to 2 billion by 2050, or maybe even sooner. There's a high chance when you connect the dots, all these problems going on in Africa, dealing with health and diseases and viruses and warfare and ethnicity and xenophobia and covert operations and coups that are happening, could all be by design. The CIA and the FBI are heavily invested in Africa. The People's Republic of China and their multinational corporations are heavily invested in Africa. India, the same thing. Russia, the same thing. Everybody wants Africa because Africa is the prize. But let me read this quote and end this video. I don't want to make this video too long, but think for yourself. This channel is, I created this channel for us to think, not inside the box, not even outside of it. Get rid of the box. Think for yourself. But let me read the quote and I end this video. This quote comes from one of my mentors. His name is, hold on one second here, Chris Hedges. He's an author as well. We now live in a nation where doctors destroy health, lawyers destroy justice, universities destroy knowledge, governments destroy freedom, the press destroys information, religion destroys morals, and our banks destroy the economy. Every bit of phrase or verse in this quote is true. It is time for Africans to become sovereign, self-reliant, self-independent, do for one another, because there are no saviors coming. We are the saviors we've been waiting for. Until next time, beacons of light. Just be it. There's nothing to it. In fact, it's the only way of being. Peace and always love.